Ever had that feeling you're not alone in your own house? Well, buckle up because this story will make your skin crawl. Picture this: an old creaky house, strange noises at night, and a hidden door behind a bookshelf. Sounds like the start of a horror movie, right? But this actually happened to me. I found a secret room in my basement filled with antique furniture and old photos. Creepy enough, but here's the kicker. There was a photo of me, taken years before I even moved in, and a journal with my name on it, with entries dating back over a century. It's like someone, or something, had been watching my entire life long before I was born. So, next time you hear a weird noise in your house, maybe think twice before investigating. You never know what secrets your home might be hiding.